One more question we will do of pair of linear equations in which we will show algebraically and graphically. Just see first question of your new exercise, that is 3.2. What it says, 10 students of class 10 took part in mathematics quiz. If the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys, find number of boys and girls who took part in quiz. Now you have to show number of boys and girls through graph. Mathematically you are not supposed to show, you have to show by graphically. So for that, what do you need? You need two equations which we will frame from the given conditions. So what they said, total students are girls and boys, and total students who took part are 10. So what do I need to assume? That let the students of class 10 are girls and boys. You can say let girls are X and boys are Y. So what we had assumed, let the number of girls are X and number of boys be Y. X is number of girls and Y is number of boys, and total students are 10. So our first equation will be X plus Y is equal to 10. Why? Because number of girls plus number of boys, they have given as 10. So we have taken X plus Y is equal to 10. So your first equation is ready. Now put the values of X, get the values of Y, and your table will be ready. So what I did, X and Y. Now just see, X is equal to 0 if I am going to put, what will I get? Y is equal to 10. 1 if I am going to put, 9. 2 I am going to put, 8. Similarly, different values you can put 4, 6, 5, 5, 6, 4, 7, 3. My table is ready to plot on the graph. Similarly, one more equation I need. What condition they had given? They said if the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys. It means if number of boys are Y, then girls will be Y plus 4. 4 more than the number of boys. So my second equation will be number of girls will be equal to number of boys plus 4. And number of boys are Y, which we had assumed. So it will be X is equal to Y plus 4. My second equation is ready. Now you can put the values of Y, you can get the values of X, or you can put the values of X, you can get the values of Y. Now what is to be done? Now my equation is ready, so I put values of Y. If I am going to put Y is equal to 0, what will I get? X is equal to 4. If I am going to put Y is equal to 1, Y is equal to 1, 5. Y is equal to 2, 6. Y is equal to 3, 7. Y is equal to 4, 8. Y is equal to 5, 9. Y is equal to 6. X is equal to 10. So different values of Y, if I am going to put, I got different values of X. Now what is left? I need to plot the lines on the graph. Now 1, 9. X is equal to 1. Y is equal to 9. This is your graph. X axis, Y axis. This is your Y axis. This is your X axis. 1, 9. So I have plotted like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I have taken simultaneously Y is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. Now my points are given for first is 1, 9. So I have taken 1 and 9 and 2, 8. 2, 8. X axis 2 and Y 8. Simultaneously 3, 7. X axis 3 and 7. So you can write like this also. 3, 7. Now 4, 6. This is 4, 6. Similarly, I plotted different points, and my last point 7, 3. You can take 10, 0, and you have taken 7, 3. This is my 7, and 3. Similarly, when 0 is there, when x is equal to 10, then y is equal to 0. When x is equal to 9, then y is equal to 1. When x is equal to 8, then y is equal to 2. Now, this is my first line. You can say x plus y is equal to 10. Now, second line, what it says? After joining, you can get one line. Now, my next line says x is equal to y plus 4. If means, if I am going to put, my points are 0, 4, 1, 5. Now, x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 0. X is equal to 4 and y is equal to 0 means on x-axis. So, my point is y and 0. 4 and 0. Now, my second point is 5 and 1. So, x-axis 5 and y-axis 1. So, this is my 5, 1. 6, 2. X-axis 6 and y-axis 2. Just see, this is 2. This will be 6, 2. Now, next is 7 and 3. 7 and 3. This is 7 and this is 3. Y 3. Similarly, rest points you can plot 10, 6. X-axis 10 and y-axis 6. This is 6. Just see. This is 6 and this is 10. Now, in this way, you can plot another line also and join them. You will get the line that is x is equal to y plus 4. Now, your question says find the number of boys and girls who took part in the quiz. Now, wherever these two lines meet, that will be your point from where you can check what are the number of boys, what are the number of girls. Now, just see wherever they meet. This is the point where both the lines meet. And the coordinates of this point is, this is x, this is 7 and this is y, this is 3. So just see, this is my point where both the lines meet. So you can say 7 and 3. 7 and 3 means x is 7 and y is 3. It means, what can you say that? It means you can say that x is 7, y is equal to 3 and x, what we had assumed, that number of girls. So, number of girls are 7 and number of boys are 3. In this way, you can find out number of girls and number of boys from graph also. Try more questions based on this. We'll discuss in next video.